Rĩrĩ itigarĩte thikũ 11 thukuru ihingũrwo thutha wa kũhingwo makĩria ma mĩeri 9 thutha wa kũingĩra kwa mũrimũ wa COVID-19, minista wa githomo George Magoha nĩahete arutwo na aciari kĩĩranĩro atĩ rĩu meharĩrĩria nĩ marĩkũ ma kwamũkĩra arutwo mwaka-inĩ. Akĩaria thukuru-inĩ wa mũthingi wa Roysambu, Magoha oigĩte mĩtaratara ya kũhũrana na COVID-19 nĩ mĩkinyanĩru.
We shall open on the 4th of January. Maybe there will be challenges as we open. We shall all together deal with them as they come. In the meantime, there is no Christmas for my team except Christmas Day and Boxing Day.
Magoha nĩongereire aciari arĩa marehota nĩo megũkorwo makĩgũrĩra arutwo ao irembeko, ona gũtuĩka thirikari nĩ ĩgũtigĩrĩra o mũrutwo arĩ na mask.
For about 3 million children who shall not afford this, the government has found machinery to provide masks to them. In fact, we have already provided masks to a large number of schools, totaling close to 1 million masks.
Kuona thukuru nyingĩ nĩ cigũmĩirwo nĩ ũnyihu wa irathi, Magoha nĩorĩtie aciari na atongoria matige kũingĩrĩria ũteti ndeto ĩno.
Only challenge shall remain social distancing. We have been saying this for the last 4 months. Let people not politicize this. There is politics and there is professional policy. Ours is to execute the professional policy.
Kũrĩ ũheani wa itĩ desk na loka mathukuru-inĩ, minista Magoha nĩoigĩte mũtaratara ũyũ nĩ ũkorwo ũgĩkinyanĩra arutwo matacokete thukuru.
I want to appeal once again to the artisans that once money has entered their fund, they should remove it so that we can pay for the next one. Because that is becoming a big bottleneck where we are spending half of the time reorganizing to pay the balance. For example, if you are being paid 300,000, it is being paid in 2 tranches. And if you had a little money in your phone, even if it's 20 shillings, then it blocks and it causes a lot of delay, which means there are people who should have been paid even a week ago, but we can't pay because people get very excited with money in their phones.
Magoha ningĩ nĩoigĩte igeranio nĩ harĩrĩku na akaregana na arĩa maroiga thirikari nĩ ĩrateng'eria kalenda ya mathomo.
They are going to succeed to finish the syllabus before time and they shall also revise. So stop politicizing a very serious issue because COVID is here to stay. We must learn to stay with it. All the noise you are hearing about, oh, don't open schools, I think hiyo ni sauti ya shetani. Forget about it.
Kũrĩ ciana iria iroima mathukuru ma andũ kĩũmbe marĩa mahingĩtwo, Magoha nĩorĩtie arũgamĩrĩri a thukuru cia mũingĩ mamamũkĩre kuona arutwo othe no nginyagia macoke magathome.
If a child comes here from a private school,
yes, sir.
His Excellency the President's directive is that you shall admit that child. If someone is pregnant, pregnancy is not a disease. We shall encourage the child to come back to school. When it is about time to go and give birth, my teachers will ensure with government, with Ngao, that the girl is facilitated to have her baby, and then after that, she can come back and continue.
Gerifotera Kameme TV, Jeta, Gitau, wa Wanjiku.